today we're going to be talking about the Glossier brow flick. I'm going to be reviewing it and showing you guys how to use it. So, first thing about this to know is it's literally a little marker. You hear that? You shake it, get the juices flowing, and you take it out. Oh, there's hair on it. And it has like this, can you see it, folks? I don't know if you can see it. Amazing, we love this camera. It has like this little felt tip marker situation, and you just, it's very like light as touch, and you get lots of product out. So at first it took me a while to get this. Like at first, when I first got it, I didn't really like it because I didn't know how to use it. So if you are on the same pathway where you bought it and you're like, I hate this, you have to just get used to learning how to use it. So I'm going to show you some techniques on how to use it. Maybe this will help you. Hopefully it does. So the first thing I like to do, again, I take my spoolie and I kind of like shape the brows how I want them to be. I live for an arch, as you can probably see. I get my eyebrows threaded, so yeah. Anyway, you take it, and I always start at like the perimeter of my brows, just to give my brows the shape and the definition that I want. I feel like it's easier if you start on the outsides of your brows and then work your way and then fill them in, if that makes sense. So it's kind of like you're tracing, and you can already see where the product is going and how light of a touch you have to use. Like, see? Like just the lightest touch. The good thing about this is if you mess up, it's very like, it doesn't dry very quickly. So if you like get a little bit extra on a spot you don't like, you can just like wipe it off really quick. So I'm gonna look in my mirror here and just stay close so you guys can see as well. But like, I need to really actually see this. So again, you just go in. I like to start at the perimeter and just tail it out. See that? See that? Start slow. The slower the better, especially if you've never used this product before. The slower the better. And then once I kind of have the, you can already tell the difference, like amazing, right? Difference. And just how more defined this looks, and I hardly put any product on it. Okay, so we're gonna finish. Now that I have the kind of like the perimeter, I kind of start working in. I start filling in the brows, and I kind of like to create a line here and just fill in the sparse areas around this area to make it appear more thick. And I think I messed up right here, so I'm just going to take my finger. You can also use a Q-tip, which would be probably better, and just kind of clean it up. I can take my spoolie again and just kind of go over it. Just go over it, and then I like to shake it up and bring it like, add some hairs, towards the front. And what's really cool about this product is that, it really does, I mean, I think the brow flick is a perfect name for it, because it really does create the illusion of hairs, and all you have to do is just give it a little flick. So, the other side, I'm sweating also, like so much. Again, starting with like the perimeter towards the middle. So there's that one, and I'm just gonna kind of soften up the edges a little bit with my spoolie and kind of go back in and define the shape a little bit. And then it looks like real hairs. Like, it looks like real hairs. You don't know how many times after I'm done using this, I get so many compliments. So many compliments. So if you're thinking about buying this, I say definitely try it out. I think it's like $18, so it's not like $100,000 million. Definitely try it out, but make sure, don't give up on it on the first try, because if you don't know how to use this, if you've never used a product like this before, it might be hard to get to use. It might be hard to use it at first if you don't know how. That was my experience, at least, and at first I didn't like it, and then I had to keep using it and really practice with it. So I love this product. It lasts all day long. It's sweat proof, it's heat proof. Your eyebrows don't feel like glued on or anything. They just feel, it feels like you have nothing on your eyebrows. I love this product. I don't think I'll ever use another brow product again, to be honest with you. If this video helped you in some way, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I make videos. My name is Abiyah. What more could you want? But thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.